It's been a while since I posted my last video on YouTube because I was busy moving countries. I now live in the UK. It's been a while. That's what we're going to talk about today. So when do we use it's been, or its full form, it has been? And for all the grammar enthusiasts out there, yes, it is the present perfect tense. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips, rules of thumb. If you don't know what a rule of thumb is, please check out my latest short video. Tip number 1, you use it's been if you want to emphasize how long or how much time has passed since a past event. So in my case, in my example, it's been a while since I last posted a video on YouTube. Posting a video on YouTube is the past event, and I'm saying that a long time has passed. That's why I'm using it's been. Well, since I live in the UK, I'm going to give you a British example. Let's say a British person approaches you and asks you, how long has it been since you went on holiday? And your answer can be in present perfect. It's been 2 years since I went on holiday. Now, an American person is going to use the phrase to take a vacation instead of the British to go on holiday. When was the last time you took a vacation? And your answer is, it's been 2 years since I took a vacation. All right, let's do another one. A British person asks you, when was the last time you went to the cinema? And your answer is, it's been 3 months since I went to the cinema. An American person would say, when was the last time you went to the movies? And your answer is, it's been 3 months since I went to the movies. Now I'm going to ask you some questions and it's your turn to answer them. When was the last time you saw your grandma? When was the last time you had pizza? Okay, now I'm going to slightly change the question, but the meaning is going to stay the same. So instead of using past simple, when was the last time, I'm going to use present perfect in the question as well. How long has it been since? Okay? So how long has it been since you last cleaned your fridge? If you're like me, it's been a while. How long has it been since you had a haircut? How long has it been since you organized your closet? Now, closet is the American version. The British version would be, how long has it been since you organized your wardrobe? Tip number 2, you use it's been with words like so far and lately. Let's say you're describing the weather or your experience or your life. You use it's been. How is England, Giza, so far? You may ask me, and I can say, so far it's been great. So from the moment I arrived and up till now, so far, it's been great. How's the weather in England, Giza? How do you like the weather? It's been quite chilly, actually. Yes, it's been chilly, it's been raining a lot, and it's been cloudy. Today is actually the first day when the sun came out. Woohoo! Imagine you got a new job. Your friend asks you, how do you like your job so far? And you can say, so far so good. So far it's been fantastic. Everyone is helpful at work. I've met lots of people. The colleagues are great. I love my job. So far it's been terrific. Or imagine you're on holiday, you're on vacation, and you arrived 2 or 3 days ago, and your mom rings you. Look at me, I'm already picking up these British phrases. Your mom calls you and asks you, how's the weather? And you can say, oh, so far it's been very sunny. Or let's say your friend runs a restaurant and you ask them, oh, how's your restaurant? How's your work? And they may say something along the lines of, usually we don't get that many customers, but lately it's been so busy. Now, do me a favor and leave a comment under this video, something along the lines of, Giza, it's been very interesting learning with you, or it's been a while since I commented a YouTube video, but after watching your lesson, I just had to let you know how great it is. Something like that. Alright, I'll see you next time for some more English tips. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. Bye bye! Clear my throat. Take a sip of water. Imagine an imaginary menagerie manager managing an imaginary menagerie. Okay, we're good to go. Hello and welcome to English with Giza.